Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the APEQI Premium Chess. Ooh, there's a chess game made of wood in a high quality and 38 to 38 centimeter dimensions. Solid wood, 2 extra queens, ladies on it, and a gift idea. Chessboard with a high quality foldable chessboard with 34 chess pieces. This is travel chess here. Play and fun. Experience valuable time with your family and friends with this chess game. High quality. We enjoy the joy of game and train our memories at the same time. We invite our loved ones and create unforgettable moments that connect and makes us happy. And mental fitness. The high quality chessboard promotes our creativity, concentration and patience. It trains logical thinking, decision making. This high-quality chess game provides mental vitality and playful relaxation. It is for our everyday life. Exclusive chef, out of wood, and the chess pieces made of solid wood and high quality. Handmade with the attention of the detail. The optimal game size with 38 to 38 centimeter. The king is 7.6 centimeter and we have 2 extra queens. The chessboard with a secure metal closure and a server as a compact travel chess. It's a great gift. The chess game is good for children and it'll give for adults and seniors too. The noble chess set inspired for Christmas, for birthday, stylish souvenirs, and super for modern decoration. Joy and successfully surprised are guaranteed. And it makes a nice looking time here. Because APEQI, this is the chess gamer. They are a manufacturer of high quality chess games and cordially invite us to play chess and they will love it. The game of chess originated in India. It is now one of the most popular board games worldwide. The goal of the game is to put the opposing king in checkmate through the skillful moves. A game for strategists and thinkers. They at APEQI want to preserve and carry on the traditional chess culture because they are convenienced. Chess is not only fun, but also a strength. It's the concentration, the passion, and the creativity. With this premium chess here, they would like to inspire us and cordially invite us to be part of the chess community. High-quality chess game made of wood can help us with that. Handcrafted figures in classic Staunton style, including 2 extra queens for famous conversations. And folding chessboards, compact and easy to store, and a stable metal locks, safe and durable. It is for home, for camping, for traveling. A noble chessboard made of solid natural ingredients, promoting concentration, creativity, and strategic thinking. High quality gaming experience with the metal added value. A game that keeps the head young until old ages. Perfect for games nights with the family and friends. Stylish design, also super for modern decoration. And the ideal gift for every occasion. We enjoy precious time with our loved ones and play chess with them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again. Maybe on the next chess game, on my channel. Chess is the king. And ladies, soon.